Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam.
warahmatullahi
Waalaikumsalam
wabarakatuh.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, everyone.
Morning,
Good morning,
Miss.
Miss.
Morning, Miss.
Okay, now let's learn today's material, which is introduce myself. Before we start, I will to ask you a question. Have you ever introduced yourself to a new friends?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, when we meet someone for the first time, we usually introduce ourselves. In English, we call it introducing myself. Next slide, please. Okay, introducing myself is an expression that we use to introduce ourselves to other people. In other words, introducing ourselves means telling other people basic information about us, such as our name, age, where we come from, and our hobbies, so they can know us better. For example, when you are a new student in a class, your teacher may ask you to introduce yourself. Next slide, please. Now, let's look at the purpose of introducing ourselves. The first purpose is to introduce our identity so people know who we are. The second purpose is to build good communication. When people know us better, it comes easier to start a conversation and make a friends. The third purpose is to give basic information about ourselves, such as our name, hometown, hobbies, or future dream. And the last purpose is to communicate in both formal and informal situation. For example, introducing yourself in a classroom is usually informal, while introducing yourself in a job interview is more formal. Next slide, please. Okay, so what the benefit of introducing ourselves? The first, it helps other people know us better. Second, it increases our confidence when we speaking English. Third, it helps us practice our speaking skills. And finally, it helps us build positive relationship with other people. So introducing yourself is an important communication skill. Next slide, please. Okay, as we can see, here's the structure of introducing myself. Now let's learn the structure of introducing ourselves. There are four parts. The first part is greeting. The first part is greeting. We greet our audience before introducing ourselves. For example, good morning, hello everyone, hi friends. The second part is opening. This is the sentence that tell people where we are going to introduce ourselves. For example, let me introduce myself. I would to like to introduce myself. The third part is personal information. This is the main part because we tell information about ourselves. We can mention our name, our age, where we are from, our school or class, our hobbies, or our family is actually optional, and our future dream or ambition it's also actually optional. And the last is closing. Uh, we end our introduction with politely. For example, nice to meet you. Thank you for your attention. Okay. Uh, so to make it easier to understand, let's look at an example. I will read for you, so please pay attention. Good morning, everyone. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Alia Putri. You can call me Alia. I'm 16 years old and I was born on March 15 in 2010. I come from Serang. Banten, and now I live with my parents and my dad and my younger brother. In my free time, I like reading novels, listen to music, watching movie, and playing badminton with my friends. In the future, I want to become an English teacher because I love learning English and I want to help other students improve their communication skill. I also hope to study at a good university and achieve my dreams through hard work and dedication. That that's all about me. Thank you for listening to my introducing. I'm very happy to meet all of you and I hope we can become good friends. Thank you. Have have a wonderful day. Oke, mari kita analisis personal letter ini. Seperti yang sudah tadi Miss jelaskan, which part is opening? Is greeting. Which part is greeting?
Good morning, Miss.
Yes, correct, Muslimin. The greeting part is good morning, everyone, ya. Okay, next part, the second part is opening. Which one is opening?
The opening is, first of all, let me introduce myself.
Yes, correct, Muslimin. The opening is, first of all, let me introduce myself. And the third part, personal information. Which part, the personal information?
My name is Alia Putri, Miss. You can
Yes.
call me Alia.
Yes, correct, Abdurrafi. The personal information is my name is Alia Putri sampai yang I also hope to study at good university itu juga bisa jadi personal information ya. And the last part is closing. Which one is the closing part? Can you answer, Nisa Sania?
Oh, gue. Ulang.
Okay, the last part is closing. Which one, the closing part?
I think thank you and have a wonderful day, Miss.
Okay, it's correct. Thank you, guys. Okay, now let's take your understanding. Now I want to give you a task. You must make one personal letter about yourself. I will give you 5 minutes to make it. Please do it well. Gelo, kagak ada skripnya pisan.
Ini yang dikirim di grup kan?
Ya, seorang satu.
Siapa duluan nih yang teks satu?
Gue yang kedua karena namanya udah Nabila.
Ya udah, gue deh.
Lu
Okay,
yang
I
mana,
wanted
Bang?
to present
Yaudah, gue yang
my
tiga deh.
letter,
Tiga.
Miss.
Ulang.
I want to answer, Miss.
Okay, Muslimin Nasution, you the first personal letter.
Okay, I will introduce myself. Okay, good morning, everyone.
Good morning, Muslimin.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Muslimin Nasution, and you can call me Min. I'm 15 years old. I was born in Bandung, and now I live there with my parents and my older sister. I'm a student at SMA Negeri 3 Bandung, and I am in class 10B. My favorite subjects are mathematics and English because I enjoy solving problems and learning new vocabulary. Besides studying, I like playing basketball, listening to music, and reading comics. I usually spend my weekends practicing basketball with my friends. My friends say that I am a cheerful and responsible person. I like working in groups because I can share ideas and learn from others. I always try to do my best in every lessons and never give up when I face difficulties. In the future, I want to become a civil engineer because I want to design buildings and varieties that are useful for many people. Thank you for listening to my introduction. I'm happy to be here and I hope we can study together and become good friends. Thank you.
Oke, good job Muslimin, you doing so well. Tadi personal letternya Muslimin sangat bagus ya guys, karena ada greetingnya, sudah mencakup greeting, ada opening, personal information, and closing. So next, who want to read the personal letter?
Saya Miss.
Oke, Nisa
Saya mau
Tania.
Okay. Hello everyone. I would like to introduce myself. My name is Nabila Victoria. Most people call me Nabila. I am 16 years old and I came from Yogyakarta. I live with my parents, my grandmother, and my younger brother. I study at SMA Negeri 5 Yogyakarta and I am in class XC. My favorite subjects are English and art because I like expressing my ideas through speaking, writing, and drawing. In my free time, I enjoy painting, baking cakes, reading novels, and watching educational videos. And then I think I am passionate, creative person. I like helping my friends when they have difficulties with their school work. And I also enjoy joining school activities because they help me improve my confidence and communication skills. And then what about my dream? My dream is to become an interior designer. I want to create comfortable and beautiful spaces for people. Therefore, I study hard and always try to improve my creativity. That's all about for me. Thank you for your attention. Nice to meet you, and I hope we can have a great time learning together. Thank you, Miss.
Oke, good job Nisa Sahnia. So next, which want to read the personal letter?
Sorry, Miss.
Okay, Abdurrafi,
I was
please.
Yes. So good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, Miss.
First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Arsenio. You can call me Arsen or Neo as well. I'm 15 years old and I live in Semarang with my parents and two younger sisters. I'm a student at SMA Negeri 7 Semarang and I am currently in grade 10. My favorite subjects are computer science and English because I enjoy using technology and communicating with people from different countries. In my spare time, I like playing football, cycling, and learning graphic design. Sometimes I also help my father in our small family business after school. These activities teach me to be responsible and manage my time as well. I consider myself a hardworking and friendly person. I always try to respect my teachers and classmates. I believe that learning new things every day is the key to achieving success. My biggest dream is to become a software engineer and develop a useful application that can make people live easier. Thank you for listening to my introduction. I hope we can learn together, support each other, and become good classmates. Thank you.
Okay, good job, Abdurrafi, doing well. Okay, next slide, please. Ica. Next slide, please. Okay, I think today learning is enough. Today we learned about introducing myself. We learned that introducing ourselves helps other people know us better. We also learned the purpose, the benefit, and the four part of a good self-introduction, like greeting, opening, personal information, and closing. So don't be afraid to introduce yourself in English. The more you practice, the more confident and fluent you will become. Thank you for your attention. I hope this lesson is useful and make. I hope this lesson is useful and provide benefit. Thank you for your participation. And see you in the next lesson. Have a great day. See ya.
Have a great day, Miss. Thank you so
Have a
much.
great day.
Much.